Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best under $500 MIG welders that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Hobart 500,559 Handler 140 MIG Welder Machine. The welder on the top of our list can handle 24 gauge to 1/4 of an inch mild steel. It is perfect for welding mild steel along with magnesium alloys, brass, titanium, copper, aluminum. The versatility of the welder is the reason why it is on top of our list. It needs a 115 volts input. With the help of voltage control over 5 positions, you can get a proper arc without any problem at all. You can get variable output from 25 to 140 amps. The weight is 57 pounds, which means that you can move it as per your convenience. It comes along with the 10 feet working cable and 10 feet power cord, which means that you can connect it quite easily. It consists of clamps as well. There is an 8 inches spool adapter as well. If you're new to MIG welding, you can follow the manual which comes along with it. The dual gauge regulator means that you can control the welding operation easily. When looking for a versatile, powerful and easy to control welder, you can consider this option. At number 4. Goplus MIG 130 Welder AC Flux Core Welding Machine. The welder which we are speaking about now consists of stainless steel. The stainless steel body ensures that the durability is always on the higher side. It is a no-gas welder, which means that you can use it for your household work quite quickly. It also comes along with the free mask, which means that you can use adequate protection when you undertake welding jobs. You can choose between the 4 different welding speed options. If you want to vary the wire feeding speed, there are 10 different speed options available. It is suitable for home-based projects as well as commercial projects as well. It is portable and comes along with the handle, which allows you to move it around without any problem at all. The air vent design means that heat dissipation is on the higher side. There will not be issues like machine heating up and shutting down on its own. It comes along with a few accessories including the protection mask, welding wire, and the chipping hammer. You will get all the essentials which you need along with it. That is what makes it a good option. At number 3. Forney Easy Weld 299 125 FC Flux Core Welder Machine. If you are specifically looking for a welder which is suitable for gas-less core flux wetting, you can consider this option. It can work with 24 gauge to 1/4 inch thickness. It works at 120 volts input. Moreover, it has an output of 125 amp. It can accept 2 and 10 pound spools. It is lightweight and portable, which allows you to move it around wherever you go. The mechanism of the welder is such that you can easily control the welding speed with the help of the electrode. Thus, you can not only get precise welding done but exactly at the speed which is convenient for you. Forney Easy Weld machines are perfect for the beginner welder or the do-it-yourselfer. With these machines, you can easily turn inspiration and ideas into masterpieces. At number 2. SUNGOLDPOWER Arc MMA 200A Welding Machine. When you choose MIG welders, it is essential to prefer the dual voltage ones. The dual voltage one ensures that they can work in any environment. The welding machine which we are speaking about now can operate at 110 volts and 220 V. As a result, you can use it with any connection. Moreover, with the help of single-tube inverter technology, it is protected from surge as well. The anti-stick design means that you can separate the electrode after welding efficiently. It consists of a proper thermostatic control which can keep the machine under the temperature threshold. It consists of a cooling fan as well. If you want to move it around, there is a strap and a handle incorporated into the design. It consists of all the essential accessories which you might need, like a clamp, cable, electrode holder. You will not have to invest separately in these accessories. As for the safety features, there are quite a few of them, like over-voltage protection, over-current protection, and overload protection. Thus, it is a highly reliable MIG welder which you can buy. At number 1. LOTOS MIG 140 amp MIG wire welder. The welder which we are speaking about now is suitable for a welding stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum as well as various other metals. You don't need to worry about the metal which you want to weld. Moreover, there is an aluminum wire feeder in case you're welding aluminum. It has an output of 140 A, which means that it can weld a wide variety of metals without any problem. It consists of a ground cable connector which allows you to use it without any worry. The digital display means that you can confirm the settings easily before starting your welding operation. It comes along with the necessary accessories like clamps which ensure that you don't need to buy them separately. When you're looking for a complete package which can work with a wide variety of metals for welding, you can consider this option. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.